now, just another day. I took a shower and I went on my way. I stopped there as usual at a coffee and pie. When I turned to leave, I couldn't believe my eyes. Standing there, I didn't know what to say. Without one, that just stood there face to face. And I was dying inside to find you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to